In this video, I will show you how to adjust OBS Studio skin. So let's do it. First of all, select settings. After select settings, then you just need to select video, and then here you can see base resolution. Here you can see 1920 into 1080. Also output resolution. Here you can see other options showing here. You can select any option from here. After that, select OK. Right now here you can see this is the skin that you want to adjust. So just select display capture from here. Right now you can do anything like this. You can replace the skin on place to another place. Also you can zoom in this way. Also you can crop it in the same way. Just zoom and you can crop it in this way. Here you can see left side or right side, you can crop it. So guys, in this way you can very easily adjust the skin on OBS Studio. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.